All right, guys, we got a 2015 Buick Encore. If you guys want to change that wiper motor in the rear trunk door, you're gonna have to open up this panel. I'll show you guys how to do that. Once you get that open, you're gonna take off this screw, this screw, this screw, and this connector. This wiper motor should come out. But prior to that, I got a video on this too. This is the reason why we was in here. Prior to that, you're gonna have to remove this cover here of this wiper. You need two hands here. So this thing opens up. If you pop it open here, there's a screw over here, and then the wiper motor goes back. Okay, that is the only way. But should be a 40-minute job if you want to do that. And the wiper motor might cost you another 100 some bucks. There's a part number over here, 96955-193. Okay, this was manufactured in 2015, made in China. Okay, and then after that, you're done. Make sure you put this on. Try the wiper. Make sure you line it, because the wiper could be somewhere else where it belongs. You don't want to come down the opposite direction. And then you put the cover on, and you should be good to go.